You can release your video order here. Okay. Students, let us discuss ninth problem, page number 113, ninth one. So I'm going to share the screen. Students, how did you celebrate Diwali festival? Are you hearing my voice or not?
Hearing, sir.
Okay. Okay. Ninth problem. Students, you should not touch the screen. Nobody should touch the screen. Just watch and listen the class. So some are doing extra. So don't make it misbehave. So I'm getting complaints from boy side. So don't do yeah. So just listen the class. And if you want to note down anything, note down it. Otherwise, uh, listen the class. So ninth problem, in a class of 60 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls and each girl contributed rupees equal to the number of boys. If the total money then collected was 1600. So how many boys are there in the class? So it is completed, students. Ninth problem I have explained. So I'm going to move for 10th problem. Okay, this is 10th one. Tenth problem, reading the problem. A motorboat needs upstream a distance of 24 kilometer on a river whose current is running at 3 kilometer per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motorboat maintained a constant speed, so what was its speed? So it is 10th one. So once again, understand the question. So you should know. So how to convert a word problem into mathematical form? A motorboat needs upstream a distance of 24 kilometer on a river. A motorboat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometer on a river whose current is running at 3 kilometer per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motorboat maintained a constant speed, so what was its speed? So here we need to find motorboat speed. So already the stream it has containing itself speed. So what is the distance? Motorboat heads upstream at a distance 24 kilometer. Upstream and downstream. Upstream 24 kilometer, down also 24 kilometer. Students, who is talking? Maheshwari, put your mobile in mute. Next, stream is containing 3 kilometer per hour speed. 3 kilometer per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. So, motor boat వెళ్ళి రావడానికి 6 hours time పడుతుంది. So, ఆ time 6 hours అని చెప్పేసి ఇచ్చాను. So, first of all, we need to convert total problem into time. So, first of all, let us consider the Let the speed of the boat in water, still water, we can consider that x kilometer per hour. The boat speed be x kilometer per hour. Then the speed of the current. So what is the boat of that stream and 3 kilometer per hour. The speed of the current, um, current, current means present speed 3 kilometer per hour. The speed of the boat in upstream. So I told that in upstream, so that speed can be reduced. So what is that boat speed is x and stream speed is 3. So we have to make it subtract. In the upstream, that boat can go low speed in the water. So that is why. So we have to make it a subtraction x minus 3 kilometer per hour. It is speed of the boat in upstream. So as well as we have to find speed of the boat in downstream. So that is x plus 3. Downstream, so we have to add boat speed and current stream speed. So that is 3, x plus 3 kilometer per hour. Total time taken, total it is 6 hours. Total upstream and downstream, so that boat is taking 6 hours. So that, like according to the problem, so what is that time is equal to formula? Time is equal to distance by speed. So here distance is 24 kilometer and by speed is x minus 3. Upstream speed is x minus 3. Like that, so 24 kilometer it is a distance by speed. So speed in downstream x plus 3. For up and down, the boat is total taking 6 hours time. So we have to equate that is equation to 6. Students, 24 is common in numerator, take it common. So we get in the bracket 1 minus x, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3, it is equal to 6. So 24 of LCM in bracket, so that is x plus 3 plus x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 3, it is LCM, it is equal to x 6. Then 24 by plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled here, x plus x 2x. 2x by x square minus 9, a minus b into a plus b. X square minus 9, it is equal to 6. Then we have to do cross multiplication here. 24 into 2x is equal to 6 into x square minus 9. Then we can cancel here 6 on the 6 fours are. Here in the right side 6, in the left side 24. So we can cancel 6 on the 6 fours are. Then we get 4 of 2x is equal to x square minus 9. So 4 of 2x it is equal to 8x. 8x is equal to x square minus 9. Then we can write the above step like this. X square minus 9 is equal to 8x also. We can write LHS part in RHS or RHS part in LHS. So we get x square minus 9 equal to 8x. So that is x square minus 8x minus 9 equal to 0. Then we have to split the middle term, minus 8x. Minus 8x can be written as minus 9x plus 1x. 9 ones are 9, 9 minus 1, 8. So minus 8x can be written as minus 9x plus x plus x. So we have to write first and last term as it is. Then x is common in first two terms, so we get x minus 9. 1 is common in next two terms, we get x minus 9. So x minus 9 is common, so x plus 1 is the second factor. So we have to here, so we have product of two linear polynomial is equal to 0, no? So we can equate each and every polynomial equal to 0, then we get roots. X is equal to 9 and x is equal to minus 1. So speed of the boat never be negative. So we should not consider negative term. So x is equal to 9 is our required answer. So nothing but x is nothing but what is that? We considered x as the speed of the boat in still water. So that is 9 kilometer per hour. So what happens, students? M Manusha, something. So you have to put that your mobile into mute. So if you want to ask anything, so ask me. So otherwise put in mute. Okay, students, here the main important concept. So it is deleted from our syllabus. Syllabus means we no need to practice that completing square method. Completing square method for public examinations. So nothing but we have to. They have selected this topic for activity or project work. So I'm not going to explain you. Uh, After completion of all syllabus, I will explain that method also. Okay, students. Now we can go for 5.3 exercise. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations, if they exist. So it is completing square method. So total that 5.3 first bit, completing square method. So we no need to practice that. So then find the roots of the quadratic equation by equation 1 by applying the quadratic formula. So let's go to second problem. So what is that quadratic formula? If a quadratic polynomial, sorry, if a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then formula will be, so the two zeros of quadratic equation is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are called the two zeros of quadratic equation. Already you know these. What are the zeros of quadratic equation? What are the zeros of quadratic equation? But if delta is nothing but discriminant of quadratic equation. So that is b square minus 4ac. If delta equal to 0, then we get zeros, so real and equal zeros of a quadratic equation. If delta is greater than 0, if delta is greater than 0, so we get zeros are real and distinct. If delta is less than 0, so we get the zeros are non-real zeros, non-real values. So where is second problem? Yes, we have here second problem. So see students, second problem, find the roots of the given quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. So 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. That is given quadratic equation. So first of all, we have to compare that given quadratic equation by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So by this equation, so we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 4. So we have to write the terms as it is. A equal to 2, b equal to 1, so c equal to minus 4. So what is a? A is nothing but coefficient of x square. B is x coefficient. C is nothing but constant. So what are x square coefficient is 2 now here. So that is why we can write a equal to 2. So b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 4. So now, what are the zeros of quadratic equation? As we know, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the two zeros of quadratic equation. So just we need to substitute a, b, c values in the given formula, and we get two zeros of the given quadratic equation. So minus b value is 1 plus or minus under root b square 1 square minus 4ac 4, a value 2, c value minus 4 by 2a, denominator is 2 into 2. So minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 square value is 1 plus 4 to the 8. So minus of minus plus 8 for the 32. So minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 plus 32 by 4, 2 to the 4. So minus 1 plus under root 33 by 4. So one time we have to consider positive, another time, second time negative. So this is alpha, second one is beta. So first 0 we can consider by alpha, second 0 being considered by beta. So minus 1 plus under root 33 by 4, minus 1 minus under root 33 by 4. Here 33 is not a perfect square. So that is why, so we can put as it is. This is the first problem, students. And the second one, so they have given the given quadratic equation is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here also we have to compare the given quadratic equation by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 5. So similarly, so as we have done in above problem, no? So like that, you have to substitute a, b, c values in the given formula. So we get, so two zeros. So one time, first of all, considered by positive, second one is negative. So like this, it is third problem, fourth problem. So, so this is 5.3 second bit. So next, students, third bit. Find the roots of the following equations. So find the roots of the following equations. It is important bit. So this third bit, we have two problems. No, these two problems came in public examination. They have asked in the public examination these two problems. For 4 marks. For 4 marks. So what is that? X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. X minus 1 by x equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0. So we should not substitute x equal to 0 in the given equation. So let us what happened, Divya? Divya, are you touching that screen? What do you want? Divya, listening the class or not? Okay. Find the roots of the find the roots of the following equations. So now we have to convert x minus 1 by x equal to 3 equation in quadratic form. So then only we can compare the given quadratic equation by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then by that we get a, b, c values. So by substituting a, b, c values in the given substituting a, b, c values in the formula. So roots of quadratic equation formula, we get, so two zeros are two roots of the given quadratic given linear equation. Sorry, given equation. So first of all, students, we can convert the given equation into quadratic equation. X minus 1 by x equal to 3. Then LCM. X into x, x square minus 1 by x is equal to 3. LCM is denominator is x, that is LCM. So we can do cross multiplication. So we get x square minus 1 equal to 3x. Then x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So this equation, so we have got here. So this equation is compared by ax square plus bx plus equal to 0. Then we get a value 1, b value minus 3, c value is minus 1. So as we know that formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is the formula of quadratic equation roots. So minus of b minus 3 plus or minus under root b square minus 3 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2a, 2 into 1. So minus of minus plus 3 plus or minus under root 3 minus 3 whole square value is 9. So minus of minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So that is under root 9 plus 4. So 9 plus 4 value is 13. So 3 plus or minus under root 13 by 2. So for first, to get first 0, so we consider this positive, and for the second 0, so consider it is negative. So the like that we get two zeros. 3 plus under root 13 by 2. Second 0 is 3 minus under root 13 by 2. So these two are two roots of the quadratic equation. This is the second problem, also important, students. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So this is second equation. First, we need to simplify this equation. So at maximum, we have to convert the given equation into quadratic form, quadratic equation form. So that is ax square plus bx plus c. Then by comparing that coefficients, then we get ABC values. So after getting ABC values, so by substituting at ABC values in the formula, so we get two zeros. So 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. So by taking LCM, so x plus 4 and x minus 7, their product is LCM. Then numerator it becomes x minus 7 minus x plus 4. Put in the bracket, second term in the bracket. So L is equal to 11 by 30. X minus 7 minus x minus 4 by x plus 4 into x minus 7, we get like this, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. So here plus x minus x cancelled, minus 11 by x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. So 11 cancel here. So we get minus 1 by x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 1 by 30. By cross multiplication, x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to minus 30. So minus 30 is in RHS. So transpose to LHS, we get x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Then minus 3x is the middle term. By expanding middle term into factors form, so we get x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. X is common in first two terms, minus 1 is common in next two terms. X minus 2 is first factor, x minus 1 is second factor. If x minus 1 equal to 0, then we get x equal to 2, or x minus 1 equal to 0, we get x equal to 1. So 1, 2 are the roots of the quadratic given quadratic equation, or 2, 1 are two values are solution of the given quadratic equation. Students, let's go to fourth problem. Some of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years, 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. So the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in 3 years. 3 years ago, 5 years from now, which is given by 1/3. So find his present age. So students, first of all, we have to consider the Rahman's age be x years. So the Rahman's age be x years. Then Rahman's age become 3 years ago x minus 3. So from 5 years x plus 5. So they asked a reciprocal, no? So reciprocal is nothing but x reciprocal 1 by x. So x minus 3 reciprocal 1 by x minus 3. X plus 5 reciprocal 1 by x plus 5. According to the question, their sum is equal to 1/3. So here we have to add both and equal to 1/3. So we get like this x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation form. By we can select any method, either factorization method or formula method. Rakesh. So x minus 7 is a factor, first factor, x plus 3 is the second factor. So if x minus 7 equal to 0, then we get x equal to 7. If x plus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3. So minus 3, age will not be never be negative, no? So we can consider x equal to 7. So that is the Rahman's age, 7 years. Present age is 7 years. Okay, students, like this we can do this all problems. Then, if you get any doubt, you can ask me. I will send you this. What is this? Website. I'm sending now. Sharing this. How to share? Yeah. Step mark. How to share this? Okay, students. I will share this this website. So you go through this. Student, don't touch the screen. If you draw any lines, so I can see here. You are disturbing here. Who is that fellow? Total 25 students are there. V. Divya, Shravan Reddy. Shravan Reddy, listening? Are you listening the class?
Yes, sir, listening.
Okay. Achut Reddy, Harish Reddy. I know Achut Reddy, Harish Reddy, what they will do? They will on the mobile, they will put somewhere else, and they will go to roam the total village, entire village, town. Achut Reddy, Harish Reddy. Once you open your video, yeah. Nobody. I know that about them. Spandana, P. Tejasri, Sukumar. Sukumar, open your video here. Sukumar, what you are doing? Okay. Okay, Sukumar, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay, right. Jnaneshwari, Sumaya Sultana, Ramya Anusha, M. Siri, S. Vaishnavi, Manjula, Sandhya, G. Varshita, Balram, Sangeeta, B. Narendra, Ramulu Nayak, Maheshwari, and M. Anusha, K. Ashrita, M. Sushmita, Sehwag, Rakesh. Oh, Rakesh, I am saying this name in online long ago, once upon a time. So now this is good day, I think. I am looking his name on the screen. It is good day for me. Rakesh, open your video, yaar. Rakesh. Okay. Very good, Rakesh. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Then next, yes, Divya came just now, I think. Yes, Divya. Yes, Divya, are you hearing?
Sir?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
బాగున్నారా
Okay,
సార్?
బాగున్నా అమ్మాయి.
మేడం బాగుందా సార్?
మేడం బాగుండు. మేడం బాగుంది, మా వాడు బాగున్నాడు, అందరు బాగుంది.
ఓకే సార్. తిన్నారా సార్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్?
తిన్నా అమ్మాయి.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, students. Let us continue our class. Students, we can go for 5.4 exercise, page number 127, 5.4. I will send you this website. So you get each and every problem solution very clearly, very neat and clean. Steps will be very simple. So they may not skip any step. So this is I will show you what is that 5.4 exercise. Going forward. 5.4 exercise. Okay. 5.4 exercise, first problem, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations if real exist. If real exist, find them. Okay, students. First of all, so let us discuss the introduction. So first of all, here we need to know, so the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So that is b square minus 4ac, discriminant. So discriminant is denoted by capital D or delta, capital D or delta. So usually here, according to the textbook, we can denote by D, capital D. So that is b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. No need to put a square root. So somebody, they will say square root of b square minus 4ac, but here no square root. Just what is the discriminant of quadratic equation means b square minus 4ac. So suppose if discriminant value of a quadratic equation, suppose if we get it is greater than 0, so we get real and distinct values. Real and distinct values means different values. So the two roots will be different values. Also they both will be belongs to real numbers. Suppose if the discriminant value, if it is equal to 0, so we get the real numbers and equal zeros. So the two values will be real and equal. Equal means same will be there. One root and second root, both root will be same. So when it is possible, if discriminant is equal to 0, if the discriminant is less than 0, if discriminant is less than 0, less than 0 means, suppose if we get b square minus 4ac value, suppose if it is less than 0, negative value, then we get no real roots. So no real roots can be exist for the given quadratic equation. So see students, we can learn, we can get a clear idea through this 5.4 exercise. First bit, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation if real exist, find them. So 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. This is first question. So we have to compare this given equation by x square plus bx plus c. We get a value, b value, c value. A is equal to 2, b is equal to -3, c is equal to 5. So discriminant, I told that discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. So we have to substitute a, b, c values in the this formula. So we got -31. That is value is -31. So -31 is negative value. So negative value always will be less than 0. Therefore, the roots are imaginary. Imaginary means no real roots. So we cannot get real numbers roots. So doesn't exist. Real roots doesn't exist. You can write like that. So go for second problem. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So what is the first question? First value a equal to 3, b equal to -4 root 3, c is equal to 4. So this is a discriminant. Discriminant is equal to 0. We got 0. So if suppose the delta is 0, delta equal to 0 or discriminant equal to 0, then we get same values. Same values. What are they? Minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a. So under root 0 value 0. So we get something plus or minus after that. So that complete will be 0. So what are the two equal zeros means minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. So minus b minus 4 root 3 by a 2a 2 into a value 3. So minus of minus plus 4 root 3 by 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 are 2 zeros. So we have to write 2 times 2 by root 3 2 by root 3. Why? Because discriminant is equal to 0. So like that, this first bit will be there. So next we can discuss tomorrow. Second, third, fourth, fifth problems. So by discussion these problems, we complete that quadratic equation chapter. Okay, students. If you get any doubt, you can put the doubt in WhatsApp personal or group. Already BA students, they have separate group, so you can chat there. So I enabled that charting in BA's account. So why? Because you are most needed students for Kakatiya school. So that is why. Okay, students. You can meet tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.